So we took a trip to Granada for the day and we had 9 hours to tour around the city. Hey, we're in Granada! So just to give you a view. We're just going to be walking around right now, and the first place we're going to go is what?
Elvira's Arch.
Alvera's Arch. Okay. Hopefully you can hear us through the mask, but you know it's...
You never know.
Yeah, it's required right now. Looks like a keyhole. Elvira's Arch, or Puerta de Elvira, was the main access gate to the city of Granada during the Moor leadership. It is a National Historic Artistic Monument. I was in awe just thinking about the skills it took to make such a grand structure. So Elvira's Arch is on the way to Mirador de San Nicolás, which is one of the key locations in Granada other than the Alhambra itself. You get an amazing view of the Alhambra as well as the city below, so it's worth the while to go walking all that way to see it. Hey guys, so we are making our way currently to the Mirador de San Nicolás, where we can see a great view of the city as well as the Alhambra. So it's quite a walk and it's uphill as well, so it takes a while to get there, but I believe when we get there it will be worth it. The other part is that the streets here are quite narrow, especially in this town. You can hear me echoing. Usually there are a lot more people here, but due to the situation right now, we have less tourists. So anyhow, it is easy to get lost, but we'll make it. Okay guys, so we made it finally. I think it took us half an hour to walk all the way up or more, but it was so worth it. It really is worth it to see all of this. Yeah. The Alhambra is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it is a grand castle that was built by Moor leadership, which they occupied for 800 years or maybe more. I'm not really sure but about that, but you can see how large it is and how it is on top of the mountains and just overlooking the city itself. After some well-needed rest, more sightseeing and photos, we made our way back down. Then we went to a Moroccan restaurant. I was excited to try Moroccan green tea. So guys, we have some green tea here, and I must say that the aroma is amazing. So let's pour some up. Mary has also been to Morocco before, so I asked her to tell us a bit about her trip.
In Morocco, it was so much fun. While I was there, we saw mountains, we rode camels, and I remember being in a restaurant and sitting on the rooftop of the restaurant eating chicken and couscous, and you could hear the call to prayer around us and just see the mountains, and it was amazing.
For lunch, I had chicken tahin with honey and onions, while Mary had chicken with vegetables and couscous. Each of them were between 13 to 14 euros, and then the green tea was for 5 euros. We then went to check out one of the Moroccan stores that are on the street.
Solo para mirar la y hay otra.
Gracias. Ah. Another thing is that in Granada they do have several Moroccan markets, but we couldn't find it that day, so we just went by one of the stores. Yeah. Guys, I want to show you something. So Spain right now is like a ghost town. This is a very touristy area. Usually there would be more people on the street.
Very.
Yes. Yeah, Mary can tell you. She's been here a couple of times.
I've been here 3 times, and there's always people in Granada everywhere.
This beautiful walkway is called Paseo de los Tristes, which in English means walk of the sad. And I found out that it was named that way because they used to have processions, funeral processions here in the past. Now it's more of a touristy walk. We then went to a park to do more sightseeing and found a very thirsty river. Dang!
Yeah, it's not really bad.
And then we went for tapas. Hey folks, so we are at a Mexican restaurant about to get tacos. So that is our one-day walk through Granada. It's been nice. It was really hot, so I really hope you enjoyed coming with me to Granada for the day, and see you soon. Have a great day. Finally made it.